Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at surface modeling this PC-24. Now in previous videos I've showed you guys how to model this jet, and I use forms using that. And I use forms to do this as well. In my opinion, just for speed and getting a really nice model, forms are great for this particular jet. And also I found a great set of drawings for this, and it has formers on it too. I'll show you guys that. Here they are, and it has the formers, shapes, and everything that is needed as well, as you can see here, and everything lines up really well. I'll show you. Turn the bodies back on. As you can see here, this is the side view of it, top view, and the front view. So everything lines up really well. And I'll leave a link to where the site so you guys can get these particular drawings, and they're really good. And so I went ahead and used forms to do this. And like I said, I would use forms for this, but some people want to use the formers, and I'm hoping these formers will be great. I didn't use them, so I'll go ahead and turn these bodies off here. And what I'm going to do is show you guys how to put these formers up here. And if you're surface modeling this also, you really don't need all these formers up here. You just need to put this one here, and I'd probably put this one here and this one here, and then loft between the formers after I get the lines in there and everything. But if you want to make a model of this and you want to use all the formers to save yourself a little work, I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So first thing I'm going to do is create a sketch on this plane here. And also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button as well. It really helps my channel grow. So I'm going to put a line down here in the center. And I'm going to make this construction line. Then use a spline tool here and get the outer shape. Cancel this. Start again. And like I say in all of my other videos, don't use all these points like I do. Again, I'm just using these just for speed. And making these tangent. And straighten these up a little. And make these construction also. Moving on to the next one here. Again, we'll use line. And use the fit points line, snap it here. And again, don't use all these points like I'm using. and make these tangent. And a line down in this one here too. Click the line X for negative construction. Once you highlight the line, just hit the letter X and makes a construction, or you can come over here and click over here and it'll turn into construction also. The PC-24, in my opinion, is one good-looking private jet. Okay, and put the lines across here again. The length of these lines really don't matter. We're just making sure we have a straight point across here with these. That's all we're doing. So you see the line come straight across like that. That's what we want. And let's see here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. So we'll do all 3 of these. The rest of them, I mean. Line. Fit point spline. Highlight the line, tangent. Okay, now we've got those 6 here. And since going to make these formers, okay, now we have this. Now I'm going to use the offset. And turn the constraints off so you can see this. Offset. And I'm going to make this 15 millimeters. Negative 15. Same here, offset. Before I do this on this one and cancel this. Okay. Okay, now we have all our geometry here. Now, go ahead and finish sketch. First sketch, change this to sketch objects. Not that. That there, and make sure you select everything. If you don't select everything, you'll get some wonky shapes when you move this. Move this up to here. Look at this from the top and rotate it. Click OK. On to the next one, same thing. Also, what you can do is, I'll show you later. I was thinking of something else. Let's move all these up here first. We could have made these solids and then moved them. Because I'm going to make these solids later. And click OK. We have this now. Now let's see if we just loft between these and see what we get. That's strange. No, I know the problem. Oh well. No worries. Let's turn the other stuff off here. Okay. We have this. Turn the canvases back on. And we can see it, some spots don't line up. The side looks pretty good. So, what we're going to have to do here to bring this up a little more, go back here, create a sketch on this plane here. and project points. And the letter P for project, for you guys who don't know that. Just hit the letter P and project all these points and click OK. Now I'll use a fit point spline, snap it there, and move up here. Same thing for the bottom. Make sure you put a point in the center so we can move it if we need it, need be. And with this, we're probably going to need to put one in the center as well. Now, as you can see, this got all wonky, no worries. And I'll show you why that got all wonky like that. So this. Now we can adjust this. Now that line looks better, but this still needs to come up. There we go. So this particular segment here should come up a little. Let's see here. So what I'm going to do is this. So I'm going to move this up just a bit. Now I'll create a sketch on this plane. Okay, those points are now. Take a look at this and make sure. Okay. Now put one. And straighten these up. Finish sketch. Zoom in here real close and make sure this is touching, and it's not. As we can see, this is not touching this. So that's not going to work. Okay. As I thought. So let's go back. Let's go back a ways. Okay, now we're back to the point where I needed to move this up a little, but go ahead and start here. Let's see if it'll let me move this. And it does. It looks like a little bit too much up. And it is just a little bit too much up. So I can move it back down a little. But I'm not going to. But when you guys work on that, just make sure you have it lined up quite well. Okay. Now let's go ahead and loft this. Use the surface. Let's see here. Should have zeroed this out in the beginning. Turn these off again. And then we want to add rails, top, this middle, and a bottom. Click OK. And that's the piece we have now. Not bad. But as you can see, by using formers like that, it takes longer to make this section here. I mean, it's not hard to do, it's just more time. Now with the formers here, let me turn this off here. Turn the sketches back on. Just extrude. Going to extrude this, and whatever thickness, wood that you're using, extrude it to that. So I'm going to say 3 millimeters. We can turn our sketches off, and there's the formers for that. Just that simple. It's not hard to do, just time. Then we can turn on the bodies. Here. And we get this. Now this is sticking out slightly here. See if we can clean this up a little here. Going to use a split body to split, and a splitting tool. See if we can use the inside of this. And it won't let us do that. So, in order to do this, I'm going to use a thicken command and thicken this by, let's say 0.4. Okay. Now let's see, will it let us cut this? Okay. Okay, and that cut that. So you have to do that with all of these. Another way to do this too, you could create a sketch on this plane here. Then you use an offset and make this 0.5. Negative. Click OK. Finish sketch. Turn sketches back on. Then come up here, split body. This is a body to split. And the splitting tool is going to be this ring here. Click OK. Now we turn that ring off. And this is a I think I split the wrong body here. Let me see here what I did wrong. Okay. Yeah. Just do that to get that. Do that again. Offset. -0.5. Okay. Finish sketch. Turn sketches back on. Split body. This body is split. Splitting tool is this. Click OK. And you have that. So you may need to cut just a little more off of that. And there, that's better. As you can see, that's the best way to do that. So for this one here, split body, body to split, use this. Click OK. And turn that off too. And there you have that. That's the best way to do that. So we'll do that again. And we have that. Let's go ahead and mirror this piece here. Mirror plane. Make it a new body. Click OK. And we have that. And so we'll need to do same thing with the other side is split these like we did on the left side over here. So this side over here. And we've got that. Pretty cool. So far on this PC-24. surface modeling. Surface modeling, lofting between formers. Okay, and that's looking really good. Now you can add more formers in here too if you want to. And but yeah. But if you want to use these particular formers and things, I will leave a link to where this is located at down in the description of the description of this video, so you guys can model this yourself using these formers. It's got the formers for the belly pan and this and the wings and the stabs and everything. So yeah. But anyway, that's going to do it for this section of this video. And maybe if I get enough interest in this, if you want to see me model more of this using these formers, I can do that too if I get enough interest. So yeah. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button as well. Also, I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over and have a look around. And I hope you can become a paid member over there on my Patreon. You have access to all my files. I show you guys how to model here on YouTube. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.